Welcome to WoodWing Scienta. In this guide, the focus will be on customizing the environment's theme color to align with an organization's branding. Upon registration, the Scienta environment displays its default theme color. While functional, this design may not fully represent your organization's identity. Fortunately, admins can customize the style to create a more cohesive and branded visual experience. Customizing the theme color goes beyond aesthetics. It strengthens an organization's identity and values, creating a professional and personalized workspace. To begin the process of customizing the theme color, navigate to the Admin page and click on the Settings tab. Within the Settings section, click on the Themes section. Here, the current theme configuration is displayed. By default, the environment utilizes the Scienta theme. To customize a personalized look, select the option A Customize Theme. This unlocks the ability to create a unique visual style that better matches the organization's identity. In the Create a Customized Theme section, two primary color codes are available for customization, one for the portal page and another for the admin page. Each color can be changed by clicking on its color and inserting the new hex code. The selected primary color will become the dominant visual element of the environment, appearing prominently on the top bar of both the portal and admin pages. Above the color input fields, a Theme Preview section provides a real-time visualization of the selected colors, allowing admins to ensure the choices align with their vision before saving. Additionally, accent colors can also be customized for both pages. To generate these accent colors, scroll down and select Generate Palette based on portal and administration colors. This feature automatically creates suggested accent colors based on the main theme color. However, further customization is available. Admins can manually adjust any accent color by clicking on it and entering a new hex code, ensuring every detail of the environment meets organizational standards. For articles, a specific link color can also be defined, ensuring that hyperlinks maintain a consistent and visually appealing appearance within the customized environment. Once all changes have been made, save the configuration to apply the new theme settings. If the changes do not immediately appear, clicking the Refresh Application button will reload the page and display the updated colors. A logo can also be incorporated into the Scienta environment dashboard by using a widget, enhancing the visual identity of the platform and aligning it with the organization's branding. To learn more on how to add the widgets with logo, refer to the Setting Up Widgets video. Customizing the environment theme color in WoodWing Scienta is a straightforward yet impactful way to create a workspace that reflects an organization's identity. By tailoring the portal and admin page colors, admins can enhance user experience and ensure every aspect of the environment aligns with their branding. Thanks for watching!